Across the grain. There are combination blades that cut along the grain and across the grain. Then there are blades that cut man-made materials. Plywood, particle board, melamine, veneers, plastic laminate. Then there are boards that cut non-ferrous metals, aluminum and brass. You can't cut steel on a table saw, you can cut aluminum and brass.
Not steel.
It's got to be bladed basically, cut with small teeth. It would just shear all the teeth right off. It's too hard. Nothing with iron in it. Cross-cut wood. Cut solid wood across the grain. Okay, what's the difference? Actually, there's a couple different things. More than just bigger teeth. Bigger teeth is what you notice first off, but it's not the only thing. There are a couple things, there are at least three things that are happening. One is the number of teeth. Two is the angle of the teeth, called the hook angle. And three is the grind of the teeth, called the top grind. Number of teeth, angle of the teeth, hook angle, and then the grind of the teeth, called the top grind. Of those, the number of teeth is easiest to say. I look, I see this has got a lot of teeth, that's got few teeth. Right? So, the number, the magic number for you, if you have a 10-inch saw, is 40 teeth. Anything below 40 teeth is generally a ripping blade. Anything above 40 teeth is going to be a cross-cut blade. 40 teeth is usually an all-purpose blade. You're going to say, well, why don't we only use all-purpose blades? Because, like anything, all-purpose means it does a whole bunch of things okay, but nothing really well. For a hobbyist, that might be okay. But for a professional shop where you want the best cut because you're competing against somebody else that's going to be cutting just as well or better than you are, you're going to have cross-cut blades and ripping blades, and then change the blades back and forth throughout the day. And change the blades 10 times a day in a shop that's doing a lot of solid work. The hook angle is if I look at the angle of this tooth this way, right? If I was to draw a line through here, you can see how this misses this opening, right? So like this. It's leaning over pretty well. But this one is much shallower. Right? These teeth are much higher up. If you pull out that multiple set, smaller blades, did you say it?
Huh?
Did you say it? There was only one class in the 20 years that I've been doing this that somebody hasn't said that within the first 10 seconds. Let me turn it over. What's everybody thinking? There's only been one class that somebody hasn't said that in the first 10 seconds.
Are you dying for them not to say that? You don't want nobody to say that?
No, it's just interesting. What do you notice about the angle of that? It's the exact opposite of this. So These teeth are leaning forward. These teeth are leaning backwards. Does that change the way it cuts? These are going to be much more aggressive cutters. Cut faster because they're going and slicing in. These are going to be much slower cutters, but less chipping because they're kind of like sliding into the board. So you're going to get a finer cut and you're going to get, but it's going to go slower. The saws with the most hook angle are for ripping. The saws that have 0 degree hook angle, so this hook angles might be like 15 to 20 degrees forward. Anything that's leaning back is called a negative hook angle, and those are going to be the finest cutting blades, the blades that are slower cutting. Also, some metal cutting blades are going to be very low hook angle. Because when you're cutting stuff like aluminum or brass, it heats up and it sticks on the top of the tooth. Yeah, it melts. It melts and it gets stuck. Little blobs of it get stuck. Yeah. So this, because it's leaning back, those things get flung off. They don't really stick it. Yeah. The last thing is called the top grind. If you look at this blade and look at the top of the teeth, what do you notice?
Oh, like that.
They're like that. If you look at this blade, same thing. What about same thing? There's got to be one of these that's not. Ah, let's look at that one. Same? What about that? Right there.
Going up a little bit.
It's actually flat, and then it's got 2 cuts on either side. Look in there and see if you find another one of these with very few teeth on it. No, something. Look in the cardboard box. Anything in there? Yeah, is there anything in there? Just pull the whole box out.
How would look? You see how it changes? This one would be wider, and the other one that comes in. Alright.
So what is this for?
I don't know. They get you on the cuts, I guess. This one is, you said.
What is it? I see. Same.
Drop it, man. Let's slide it. That should have cut you.
Flat top blades are really good for ripping. ATB blades are good for cross cutting and ripping thinner materials. High ATB blades or high AT blades are good for cross cutting very fine materials. Triple chips are good for man-made materials like this melamine. If you use the wrong blade, the wrong material, it will cause a lot of things. The cross-cutting blade